Welcome back, students. Now we will see the concept of area. How you can derive the formula to find the area of a circle. So for that you have to draw the circle and divide the whole circle into 8 equal parts. Then what you have to do? Cut the circles in 8 equal parts and arrange them like this. So you are getting little bit, it looks like a rectangular shape. This is a little bit curved. Okay. So what we can do further? Further we can divide it into 16 equal parts and then make the arrangement. Still you are getting the curved surface like this. Again you have to divide into 32 equal parts. Okay, again you can divide, you keep on dividing this circle into equal parts in such a way that when you arrange the terms like this, arrange each and every shapes like this, you are getting the perfect shape of rectangle like this. I have divided this circle into very small parts, and when you cut this circle and arrange them like this, the way you have arranged over here, you are getting the exact shape of rectangle where these surfaces are now little bit straight. It is not in the curve shape. So this way when you cut this circle, you are getting this kind of arrangement, and this is in the shape of rectangle. And we know that area of rectangle is equal to what? Area of rectangle is equal to length into breadth, that we know. But here when you cut the whole circle into its equal parts and arrange them in this shape, so this breadth of the rectangle is what? This portion from here to here, this portion you have arranged like this, so it is your radius. Okay, we know that center to here, that is your radius. So breadth become radius. So what you can write? In place of B you can write R. Now this is the circumference. When you cut it and arrange like this, so this boundary becomes like in the shape of straight line. So this straight line, that is the length of the rectangle, is what? The circumference of the given circle. So what we can write? In place of L you can write C. So C into R. This is the area of the circle. But what is C? We know that. What is C? So we can form a formula. Area of a circle, we get C into R. But in the previous we have decided, we have derived that C is equal to 2 pi R. So substitute the value. C is equal to 2 pi R into R. Okay. So in place of C we have written 2 pi R. So now pi R into R. What is the answer? 2 pi R square. But we know what is the area of a circle? Students, just there is one correction. So we have divided the whole circle into 64 sectors and we arrange them like this. So per length there is a 32 sectors. Here it is 32 sector and here it is also 32 sector. So what we have to do over here? So circumference, if you are taking, so 32, that means the half of the whole circle. Total sectors are 64. When we arrange them in such a way that this is a point, it's not a line, and this is a line. So total 32 sectors are there below side and 32 upper side. So we are taking the total perimeter of the circle, that is 64. But when you arrange in this manner, you are getting here straight line, that is only 32 sectors. So this is length is what? Half of the semicircle. So So what we have to write here? Length means half of circumference. That's why area of a circle is equal to what? Half of circumference. So it is half of 2 pi r. So this 2 will get cancelled. So what is the answer now? Again I am repeating. Area of circle is equal to half into circumference into radius. So half into what is the c? 2 pi r into r. So this 2 will get cancelled. So what is left? Pi r into r. So what is the answer? Pi r square. So what we can say? So area of circle is equal to what? Pi r square. So this is the formula to find the area of circle. So we have seen how to find the perimeter, or you can say circumference, or how to find the area of a circle. On the basis of this, we now see the solved examples. Thank you. See the solved example 17. Find the area of a circle of radius 30 cm. Use pi is equal to 3.14. So radius is given, so directly we can use the formula pi r square. So the answer is 3.14 into r square means r repeated 2 times. That is 30 multiplied by 30. That is 30 square. So the answer is 2.826 cm square. Next, diameter of a circular garden is 9.8 meter. Find its area. So diameter is given, d is equal to 9.8 meter. Now here we have to compulsory find the radius, as in the formula we have to use radius only, not the diameter. So diameter is 9.8. So radius is equal to what? 9.8 divided by 2. So what is the answer? 4.9 meter. So area of circle is equal to what? Pi r square is equal to 22/7 multiplied by 4.9 whole square meter square. So when you solve this, your answer is 75.46 meter square. Next question. The adjoining figure shows 2 circles with the same center, but the radius are different. The larger circle is 10 cm radius, and for the smaller circle the radius is 4 cm. What we have to do? Find the area of the larger circle, area of the smaller circle, and the shaded area between the 2 circles. The pi is equal to 3.14. Now see how to solve this question. So first we will find the area of the larger circle. For that the radius is 10 cm. So area is equal to pi r square, 3.14 into 10 into 10, that is 314 cm square. Now for the smaller circle, radius is 4 cm. So area is equal to pi r square, 3.14 into 4 into 4, that is 50.24 cm square. Now area of the shaded region is what? This is the area of the shaded region we want to find. So total area minus area of this small circle, that will give you the shaded area. So what we can say? Area of the shaded region is equal to 314 minus 50.24 cm square. So which is equal to 263.76 cm square. So this way we can use the formula to find the area. Okay. Next we will see exercise 11.3. Thank you.